Hey y'all, welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are not new. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out this new style. New to me. I don't know if it's new like as in how long it's been going around, but it's new to me and it's called a TWAIDOUT out. So for those of you who don't know, if you were like me and I didn't know at first, but a TWAIDOUT out is basically a twist and a braid out together. So you start by braiding your hair, then halfway through you go ahead and transition over into a twist. So I'm going to be giving that style a try today, and I'm going to be using the Curls Unleashed coconut and avocado smoothie. It's like a hair smoothie. Y'all, I haven't used this on my hair yet, but my mom has used it on her hair and it moisturizes her hair so well. It does so good on her hair. So I'm going to use this on my hair and we're going to get into this TWAIDOUT out. I'm going to take my spray bottle and just mist each section as I see fit. And yeah, we're gonna start with this section in the back and we're gonna get straight into this TWAIDOUT out. Kimberly Sherelle actually just dropped a video on this, but before hers, I had seen one or two videos of it as well. So I'm guessing you braid it to keep the roots flat and then twist the ends just because. Kimberly Sherelle, her results were beautiful. Y'all can see. So it's really moisturizing my hair. It feels really good. Look at that curl definition. Yes, okay. So let's go in with your 3 sections to start your braid. Just gonna braid it. If my hands are positioned funny, y'all, that's just how I have to do it to really grip my hair and braid it. I hope y'all can see. Now, as y'all know, well, if you have been following me for a little minute, you know that I prefer to do braid outs over twist outs. Although at one point I was loving my twist outs, but lately I have preferred to do braid outs over twist outs. So I'm interested to see how mixing both will do on my hair. Now I'm just starting to twist it, and I just added that middle piece of hair to one side. I saw in Kim's video, she said that she was splitting that middle piece between both sections, but she thinks that by just adding it to one side, it helps with the takedown process. And I think that's true, because just adding it to one side, when you take it down, you won't have to worry about like separating it, then it producing tangles or potentially creating tangles and all of that. But this is the first one. So not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and move on and do the rest of my hair. I'm gonna get a good amount done, and then I'll come back and show you guys when I'm on like either the last section or the last one altogether. So I'll check back in with y'all once I get most of this done. All right, y'all, so as you can see, I have one little section left. I kind of just breezed through the other sections, and by breeze through I mean I had a groove going, because it was not quick at all. Okay, it's about an hour and a half later, and yeah, but anyway, I'm just gonna do this last section up. It's the last one. So far I noticed that initially I wasn't braiding my hair down enough, and so what I thought was half of my hair being braided ended up being about 3/4 of my hair. I mean, not 3/4, ended up being about 1/4 of my hair braided, and then the rest I was twisting up. So I did go back and kind of braid down those pieces that weren't braided down enough. So that is one thing I had to do. Also, this curl smoothie styler, this Curls Unleashed smoothie styler, I am really feeling it. Y'all, my hair is so moisturized. It looks so juicy. Like, Everything is just great. So this is my whole head completely in the TWAIDOUT. Looks really good, very buttery, very moisturized, very, very nice. So I have high hopes for this style, and yeah, I'm just gonna let it air dry a bit, then tie it up for bed, and then hopefully tomorrow I can take them out for you guys. But if I don't take them out tomorrow, then I'm definitely taking them out the next day. Perfectly, they'll be dry. Hopefully everything will be dry and good to go. But yes, next time you'll see me, I'll be taking these bad boys out and revealing what the TWAIDOUT looks like on my hair. So I'll catch y'all later. Bye. So we're gonna go ahead and take these bad boys out. I'm gonna just put some oil on my hands. If you've been watching my channel for a little minute, you know that this is my favorite oil. I don't know if y'all remember or not. There was a point where I could not find this anywhere, and my mama, she actually came through and she found this for you, girl. But shout out to you, mom. So I'm just gonna put this on my fingers and start unraveling. All right, so this one right here only had a little portion where it was twisted. I could have stopped the braid further up, but hey, it's cool. Ooh, look at that, y'all. That definition. Ew. Okay, I'm not mad at it. Not disappointed at all, not mad at all. It's looking really good, very flat up here and very defined, very moisturized. And of course, I took this one out in the front just for y'all so y'all can see better. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take the rest of them out, and I start in the back, so that's just what I'm gonna do, speed this process up. Look how not stiff she is. Stiff where? Where, sis? Well, nowhere. Look at this. Oh my gosh, my hair is so freaking moisturized. Like, oh my gosh. Like, yo, my hair does not feel dry at all. Nowhere does it feel dry at all. It feels super duper moisturized. Like, wow. I should get y'all a slow-mo. As you can see, I'm feeling this. This looks really, really cute. And the TWAIDOUT is low-key bomb. Actually, not even low-key, it's high-key bomb. Look at this. Look at the definition. I like how my roots are relatively flat. Unlike when I do a twist out, they tend to be kind of bunchy and fluffed up more. So yes, I really, really like that factor of this TWAIDOUT. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a 360 for y'all so y'all can see the back. Don't mind if my part is still down the middle. I haven't gone in with my comb and picked it out. Oh, I ain't even gone in with my comb, y'all, and picked it out. And look at this. I just separated with my fingers and that was it. Bomb. But anyway, don't mind that part down the middle. I ain't going in my comb and hide it yet, but I'm gonna give y'all 360. So here you go. So this is my TWAIDOUT, y'all. Like, I can't stop touching it. It's very moisturized. My hair is so soft and just so luscious. Like, oh my gosh, it's just great. It's so cute, so cute. The definition is there, okay? The shine is there. That curl's unleashed. Smoothing. Might be hitting on a little something. I might have to add it to my stash. But anyway, these are the results of my TWAIDOUT, you guys. If you did not know, just like your girl didn't know at first, TWAIDOUT is a braid and a twist out mixed together. You start with a braid, then you end that bad boy off with a twist. And by end it off, I mean half braid, half twist. So that is what a TWAIDOUT is, and this is my first time doing a TWAIDOUT, and y'all, I think it came out really, really cute. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Drop them comments down below. Also, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification so you're notified each and every time you go post a new video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, okay? My Instagram name will be in the description box down below, and I might go ahead and put it on the screen for you guys. But if I don't, jump down to my description box, and there you will find my Instagram name. Go ahead and follow me and turn on your post notifications. Right now, I have something very exciting going on, and I need you guys' help. So if you have an Instagram, jump on the Instagram, follow me first, turn on post notifications second, and third, check out my Instagram story. And if there's nothing there, go to my highlights, because I will have it in the highlights section so you guys can see what I am talking about and go from there. But that is all for this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.